Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am talking about something very interesting on how to make money on this digital space or how to make money online. Yeah, so one way of making money online is starting a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is very easy. If you have a Gmail account, you can simply activate your channel on your YouTube app. Yeah, and once you decide to start a YouTube channel, the first thing you need to think about it's your niche. Like, what are you passionate about? What skills can you teach people on YouTube? Is it cooking? Are you good at cooking? Are you good at vlogging? Like giving us your day-to-day updates of what you're doing. Are you good at making furniture? Are you good at doing makeup? Like my makeup today, I know it's not the best, but I can get tutorials on YouTube on how to do it. So if you're very good at whatever skills that you have, you can start a YouTube channel and start sharing your skills with other people. And so how does YouTube pay? How can you make money on YouTube? Yeah, one way of making money on YouTube is getting a share of Google AdSense revenue. So once you see the ads that appear on YouTube, that means that those channels are monetized. So once you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're qualified to be monetized by YouTube and start earning money from the ad revenue. And sometimes getting those to 1,000, it's not easy, but again, it's not hard. If you're active on other social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, that's where you drive your traffic from. Tell them to go and subscribe to your new YouTube channel. Tell your friends, tell your relatives, yeah? Ask your friends to share and share and share. Like me, when I started, I was so green. I didn't have anyone to mentor me. I just saw that I'm very good at baking. Why can't I share my skills with other people? Those who want either to bake at home or those who want to start their small businesses. And that's how I started. And for you to get 4,000 watch hours again, you need to be very consistent in posting. You need to keep on asking people to watch your videos and share. So once at least people get to know your channel, you will not struggle from there. And YouTube channel is not meant like for a chosen few. Anyone can start a YouTube channel and thrive. I will be doing another episode on how to grow a successful YouTube channel. Watch out for that. Another way of making money on YouTube now is through brand partnerships. Once you grow your followers to even maybe 5,000 or 10,000 subscribers and you have many people coming to watch your channel, now that is the time you think about approaching brands, or sometimes brands will come to you. If they don't come to you, don't wait them to come to you. Write emails to them, visit them, tell them, my name is Beldina J. I create content on baking and lifestyle. I would like to partner with you to market your products. And that's how you get started. And those brands pay you and pay you well. Another thing is that you can easily sell your services or products on YouTube. Like for example, for me doing baking videos, we have gotten so many customers from YouTube. Those students who are looking at where to train for baking skills, they come to our school of baking because they saw me on YouTube. Yeah, so if you have a product or a services you're offering, you will get many people coming to get those services and products from you after seeing you on YouTube. Another thing, you can just come up with an online shop whereby you share the link of your shop and people will come to buy products from your online shop from YouTube. You can also be an affiliate marketer whereby you get other companies like Jumia or other e-commerce platforms to give you links to their products, and you're given a commission according to how people purchase. So there are many ways on how you can make money from YouTube. Another way of making money online is being a social media manager. Nowadays, like all the companies have social media platforms for marketing. People have their social media platforms. Sometimes people don't have time to manage their own social media account. So that's where you come in. If you have an experience in creating good content, creating posts, creating short videos, designing some very good designs using Canva. You can position yourself or brand yourself as a social media marketer. And how do you start this? You can approach your friends. You know, many of your friends who are doing businesses, probably they are very busy, or even your relatives, or even ask for referrals. They are very busy to be updating their social media accounts on every other basis. So that's where you come in, approach those people, ask them or approach them and talk to them so that you can assist them in marketing their pages. Also, what you can do, you can keep on consistently telling people on your social media platforms. Tell them, guys, I can manage your LinkedIn account. I can manage your Instagram account. I can manage your Facebook account. Those people doing business, or those people probably in the corporates and they have their LinkedIn account and don't have time to update those accounts. Another way, it's becoming an influencer marketer or the digital content creator. Actually, this is a trend that is really moving with the speed. Yeah. Now, when we were young and growing up, we just knew about the traditional ways of marketing, like in the newspapers or in the billboards or through the televisions or through door to door. But nowadays, companies are approaching individuals with high number of followers to help them with marketing. If you have many followers on TikTok or on Instagram or on Facebook or on YouTube, you can start approaching brands to partner with them. Another thing, you don't really need to wait for you to have many followers or just think that content creation is just for celebrities or for those people who already have numbers. Start growing those numbers. Like, you find the algorithm of TikTok and YouTube Shorts, it's very generous. You just create a small video, post on TikTok, and within no time it gets thousands of views, and you start getting many followers. Create good content. For example, if you're creating content on cooking, just do very nice short videos on cooking and share them on your platforms. Start attracting followers, start attracting new followers, and from that you will able to attract brands to sponsor your content or for marketing partnership. Another way is drop shipping or online business. By drop shipping, this is whereby you start an online business whereby you don't really need to have a warehouse or a store or a stall with products. What you need to do is basically approach people who are selling items in wholesale. Just ask them for the photos of their items. For you now create a page. What I see many people do, like I'm in so many WhatsApp groups of people selling items in this manner. So you create a WhatsApp group of your friends and relatives. Just start with your friends whom you can trust or who can trust you. Be posting, like for example, if you identify a wholesaler selling shoes, get those shoes from that, get the photos of the shoes and post them on your WhatsApp. Once you get a customer, for example, who has liked a pair of shoe, let's say it's an open shoe worth 2,000 from the wholesaler, add 500 factoring in your delivery cost. Or actually, one way, if you're doing an online business, tell people to pay for delivery, or you can have a free delivery within a particular range. Like you can, if you're in Nairobi, Kenya, you can tell people deliveries to Nairobi town is free. That means you're picking your shoes probably from Kamukunji and just delivering by foot to the person. That way you will not incur extra charges, and by that you have made a cool 500 shillings without really working so hard. You just worked smart. Yeah, so that is one way on how you can do drop shipping. Or you can also do on a business online or in the digital space. Like for example, if you are a baker, you can start baking from home. You bake your cakes and advertise them online. Yeah, so that's how another way you can take advantage of the digital space to sell your products. Another way is do freelance work online. By freelance work, we mean academic or creative writing, programming, designing, marketing, data entry, virtual assistant, digital, basically those digital skills, the jobs that need digital skills. So, and there are very good platforms providing the website providing an avenue for you to get customers. Like I know of Fiverr, I know of Upwork, I know of freelance.com. So you can register, sign in or register in those, sign up in those websites and start getting your customers. Create a very good profile. But again, for you to maintain those customers, make sure your skills are very good and you give your customers very good services. And in Kenya, there is a group, or yes, it's an initiative by the government. It's called Ajira Digital. Ajira Digital is training youths or anyone who want to learn these digital skills for free. You just need to check into their website, register, get into their next class and gain these skills. Good thing with Ajira Digital, they even open accounts for you on these sites where you can easily get jobs, or they refer you. So check out this Ajira Digital and start this work. And this is this work, you can basically do it as part-time or even as full-time. So look out for that. Another way of making money online is creating a blog. Again, this is about niche, whatever you like. If you love cars, create a website telling us about cars. If you love good books, create a website telling us about good books. If you love healthy eating, if you love workout, create a website giving us information about that particular thing. So again, on a website, you earn just like in YouTube. You can get a share of Google AdSense revenue. You can get brand partnerships. You can get affiliate marketing links. Yes, that is how or you can even promote your own products on your website. Another thing, write an ebook. If you have skills in any area, like for me, I have many recipe books for cooking, for baking. Create them, write a book and sell online. You can sell through social media or through Amazon. Create an account and sell your book from there. Another way you can make money online is sell goods on e-commerce platforms. Like if you're selling shoes, register yourself as a Jumia vendor or Kilimall. So make sure you take very nice photos, approach them, let them vet you, and they will do the marketing work for you. Yours is just to deliver. It's becoming a virtual tutor. If you have any skills, again, if you have the baking skills, you can teach through virtual. You can come up with kids baking classes and teach online. You can come up with cooking classes and teach online. If you are a teacher, you can, let's say a teacher of English, a teacher of mathematics, you can just position yourself, brand yourself, and look for clients who will come, who needs your services. Again, for you to really be successful, this one, you have to be an authority in your area, be very good at what you do, and you will keep on getting referrals from people. Another way, and the last one but not least, and we have other ways, but I just singled out the best and the ones that are relevant mostly in Kenya. So it's building a website for other people. Many companies don't have websites. So position yourself, brand yourself very well, approach these people and ask them ask them for an opportunity to create for them a website, or just keep on advertising yourself on your social media platforms. Tell people, keep on telling people about what you do. First of all, start by creating your own very good website whereby you can refer people. You tell them, check out my work. Have a client base, have a profile. If you create a website today for Beldina's Delicacies, have that as one of your clients and use it in your portfolio such that when people come, they see you created a website for Beldina's Delicacies, you created a website for Safaricom, you created a website for this and this. That's how people get to give you work. but you have to put in the work of marketing. Same points with building a website, it's becoming a graphic designer. Most of these companies, again, they don't have time to create the marketing materials, the brochures, the marketing posters, the marketing videos. So position yourself, just learn basic graphic design skills from Canva. Anyone can learn how to do graphic design on Canva. So you learn and take your services to those people who don't have. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today. That is what I have for you today. And this is going to be a series. I'll get experts who are thriving in Upwork, experts who are thriving in virtual tutoring, experts who are thriving in virtual assistants, so that they come and tell us how did they do it, how did they break those barriers and became that successful. So guys, if you have enjoyed this episode and this is your kind of content, please subscribe, share this video with your friends, ask them to follow me. I will be bringing you these episodes every Wednesday. Today it's coming up on Thursday, but every Wednesday, be ready, click a notification button and be ready for such kind of content every Wednesday, same time. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, see you. Bye.